Alright, welcome back fam people. Let's start the video. To create this kind of effect, import your clips and create an adjustment layer. For the adjustment layer, we are going to be using 15 frames of it. Use shift key and the right arrow to skip 5 frames. Now go on to the effect panel and search for transform and add it to the adjustment layer. Select the adjustment layer and switch to the effect control and let's add some keyframes. First, for the position, add a keyframe on it, and now decrease the X value and move 1 frame forward. Click on the reset icon and now continue to animate the X and Y value just like that. Change the shoulder angle to 360 to create that motion blur effect. Now you can see our effect is a little bit on its way. Now let's animate the scale. Change the scale value to somewhere around 110. Move to the last frame and add keyframe. Move 1 more frame forward and click on the reset icon, and that's it. Our effect is done. We can give a little bit of tweaks to turn it into a transition. Duplicate the adjustment layer, drag it between 2 clips, change the shoulder angle to 0. Go to the effects panel and search for directional blur. Add it to the adjustment layer and let's animate some options. First, let's start with the blur length. Change the value to somewhere around 50 and move 1 frame forward. I reset it and do it continuously till the end of the frame. Now for the blur direction, add a keyframe, then move to the center. Change the direction, move to the last frame and reset it. Let's see how our effect is going. Now let's change a little bit of the center keyframe for the directional blur. And that's it. Thanks for watching guys. We are on our road to 500 subs, so don't forget to subscribe, like, comment any video idea, and see you in another one. Peace.